Hello everybody, thanks for watching again. Today I would like to speak about something quite specific. A document that's called an Annex III declaration. Previously it was called A3 declaration. What is it for? Well, there are quite a number of boats in the world that are built but not finished by the initial builder. For example, it could be some small speedboats which are just sold as a whole deck and bulkhead, and whereby the steering and the fuel system is installed in Europe. It could also be just a whole deck and bulkhead of a bigger boat, like a trawler, something like that you buy and wishes to finish yourself or ask another company to finish for you. Of course, in those conditions, the initial builder cannot sign the Declaration of Conformity. We spoke about the Declaration of Conformity before. That is the document that goes with every boat when it's finished and when it can wear the CE mark. On that document, which is signed, it stipulates which standards has been followed. So the initial builder cannot sign that he's followed certain standards, for example, of a steering system, since he hasn't installed it, nor a fuel system, for example. So it would be lying if he would CE mark the boat. He can't. The boat is not finished. So that's why there is an Annex III declaration. So he signed that the boat finished in following condition, being a whole deck and bulkhead, and there could be a lot of installation, but maybe just one is missing. So you describe very well how the boat is finished and which condition it's delivered, and that the boat in these conditions complies with the requirement of the directive. Therefore, the final builder can just do his own installation and then sign a full declaration of conformity and affix the CE mark. For a small boat, it can just be based on trust. You can buy the boat and trust the builder on what he declares. Maybe it's a faraway country and you prefer to have a notified body to go and make sure that declaration is correct. In that case, we can do that. IMCI can sign or approve an Annex III declaration. When it's become to a bigger boat, so let's say a trawler above 12 meters in category B, where the involvement of a notified body is required, somehow you need to have a notified body also checking the construction. But now you buy the boat, there's been no notified body, you just have a 3A declaration. Well, that's not possible. So in that case, you need to have the notified body involved from the beginning and to inspect that part of the build, being just the hull, to make sure it's in compliance with the requirements. And the builder will still give a 3A declaration, Annex III declaration, sorry, it used to be 3A, but it will be signed or approved by a notified body. That way you're 100% sure that you're right and you can continue your work. The next inspector will come and check that the final installation are correct, and you will get a EC type examination certificate or a unit verification if it's just a one-off. So actually quite simple, but think about it. If you buy a boat that's partly finished, you need an Annex III declaration. If you sell a boat that's not entirely finished, you cannot put the CE mark on it. That was the tip of the day. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.